Welcome to this introduction to the aggregation feature of Advanced Charting Kit. I'll start by explaining what aggregation is. Imagine you have some daily sales data. If you display it as it is, then there's a lot of noise in the data, so it's hard to see any trends. Displaying the total sales per week or per month, i.e. aggregating the data, would give a clearer picture of how things are going. Whilst developers could probably do that data manipulation by themselves, it all adds to the development and testing time, especially if you need to see different sorts of aggregation, like totals, averages, maximums, or minimums. But Advanced Charting Kit has already done all the work for you. You can choose how to group the data, whether into fixed size groups or by date, as you can see here in our Android sample. And here's our sample for iOS, showing how you can choose between our 4 different analyzers: minimum, maximum, average, and sum. Or you could create your own custom analyzer. So with shinobicharts Advanced Charting Kit, we've got data aggregation covered.